Hi, this is Dr. Chava Anjaneyulu, Senior ENT Specialist. I am working with the Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. Chronic sinusitis is the commonest problem. Many people are suffering with the chronic sinusitis problem. It may be simple chronic sinusitis due to allergy, or it may be due to severe fungal infections. These are very dangerous. And recently we have seen the black fungus wave. This is very danger. If we neglect either white fungus or black fungus, it goes into the eyes, it goes into the brain, it will create severe problems like vision loss permanently and sometimes high mortality also. If patient has any problem of nasal obstruction, nasal discharge, sneezing, facial pain, headache, visual disturbances, you do nasal endoscopy evaluation. Because nasal polyps nowadays very common because of increased allergy, more stress with less immunity, all these will predispose to the polyp formation. Nasal polyps are multiple extra growths in the both nasal cavities commonly arise from the ethmoid sinus. Nowadays it is very common. These polyps may lead to secondary fungal infection. This fungal infection over a period of time will invade the bone, will erode the bone, will destroy the bone, enter into the orbit, enter into the brain. It will cause a permanent loss of vision and permanent loss of smell. So don't neglect. If you have any nasal obstruction, contact ENT specialist, get nasal endoscopic evaluation. If there are polyps in the nose, don't neglect it. Immediately get CT scan of the sinus. In CT scan of the sinus, we know exactly from where polyps are coming, how many sinus are involved, underlying any fungal infection are there, we will diagnose accurately with the CT scan. Many patient is having the doubt that if nasal polyp surgery is done, it may come back. No worry about that. First we have to remove the existing nasal polyps. After removing nasal polyps accurately, nicely under guidance of CT scan finding, with microdebrider, usually it will not come back. Mainly after surgery, you have to get nasal cleaning, that is Jalaneti or Neti wash. If any allergy, you get immunotherapy. With the surgery, Jalaneti and immunotherapy, these polyps will not come and you will get a complete relief from the nasal polyp problems.
Fat. That fat component is called as subcutaneous fat, and that is all yellowish globules what we have. It cushions the skin onto the scalp or the scalp bone or the skull bone. So now we don't go until that deep. Now after the layer of the subcutaneous fat, there are certain sheets, blood vessels, and after that you will have some muscles, and after that you will see certain amount of sheets, protective sheets